Okay, so I thought, well, you know, I can go ahead and swatch these out and do this on camera, I think. So I'm really not getting much of a color off of this at all. You can see it's just very, very slight. And I wonder if that has something to do with the fact that I let these sit overnight, and these two definitely lost a lot of their saturation. And really, these are not, you know, these are not really so much paints as they are a dye, a tint. You know, if you wanted to stick some cloth in these to see how they tint the cloth, that would be really cool. So I'm gonna try maybe just dab that on there and see. It's very, very subtle. Let's see. This is the Black Eyed Susan. I got some plant stuff in there. This would actually make a really good like background wash, I think, because it's so faint. You could make something look like old parchment, or you could even use them for collage papers. Stain a couple of things, and use them for journaling. And these are the rose petals. Okay. I can try the sweet peas. They really don't have any color. It's just water. I wonder if that'll change at all when I add stuff to them. So very, very slight and subtle. So I'll come back to these after they dry and see what they look like. You could certainly use these if you were going to build up layers, but it would be a long, tedious process, I think. So, well, let's change the pH of these and see what happens.